Ons gee onmiddellik oor vir Vimpie.
The Lord bless you and keep you. Make His face shine upon you. Be gracious to you. The Lord turn His face towards you and give you peace. Die Here seën jou en bewaar jou. Hy skyn sy aangesig oor jou. Mag hy genade bewys. Die Here draai sy gesig na jou. Mag hy jou vrede gee. Amen. 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 Oh, sy gunsrus oor jou lewe en 1000 generasies, jou familie en jou kinders en hul kinders en hul kinders. Mag sy gunsrus oor jou lewe en 1000 generasies, jou familie en jou kinders en hul kinders en hul kinders. Mag sy vrede jou vooruit gaan, agter jou staan en langs jou staan. Dit omring jou, hy is in jou, hy is met jou, hy is met jou. In die oggend, in die aande, in jou doene, in jou late, in jou hartseer, in jou vrede, hy is vir jou. Amen, 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 amen. Oh, laat het so wees, Here. Amen, amen, amen. May His favor be upon you and 1,000 generations, and your family and your children and their children and their children. May His presence go before you and behind you and beside you, all around you and within you. He is with you, He is with you in the morning, in the evening, in your coming and your going.